So here's another question, Yameena, from a viewer, and it is with a CRS of 511, a PGWP expiring in January 2026, and a 72K salary as a business analyst in Ontario. What are the options for a high wage LMIA? Also, can someone stay and work if the LMIA is not approved by January?
So that's great. A Sierra score of 511 is still competitive, especially if you qualify under one of the specific categories that IRCC is selecting. So I really, really hope that before January you are selected. But I also think it's great that you are considering alternative options in case you're not selected by RCC for PR by January 2026.
Mhm.
In that situation, it would be great if your employer did support you for an LMIA based work permit. Something you need to keep in mind for an LMIA high wage work permit is that you should be earning about $34 per hour. So with a $72,000 salary, it will depend on if the $72,000 salary is spread over 30 hours a week, 40 hours a week, or if there's an opportunity to increase the salary.
Mhm.
So depending on how many hours the 72,000 salary is covering, you might be eligible for the high wage LMIA. You might not be eligible for the high wage LMIA, in which case the employer may be willing to increase the salary. If you're not eligible for the high wage LMIA, you're looking at the low wage LMIA, in which case you will need to check the unemployment rate in the city in which you are in Ontario to check if the unemployment rate is above 6 to 7%. If it's above 6 to 7%, you may not be eligible to apply for a low wage LMIA.
Thank you so much, Yameena, for taking this question up and explaining it beautifully.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, DocketWise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.